Clever minds think and try, understand and never say goodbye. Ready to solve every game, and every spark of thought a new path of learning begins. Opportunities unfold when curiosity leads the way. Under the roof of an intelligence workshop, bold minds dare to explore. Shapes and symbols dance across the page, merging logic with imagination staged. In every number, a story waits to unfold. Networks of logic entwined within the mind, deciphering secrets that the shadows design. Strategies sharpen as the puzzles unfold. I am inspired to imagine, invent, and investigate. Never give it up. Helps me discover new knowledge, thinking critically and trying my best leads me to success. Curious minds think and try. Think and try. Curious minds think and try. Every task we solve with care, learning something new. Logic and clear steps help us think things through. Learning every day builds knowledge strong and true. Intricate patterns waiting to be found. Gambits played on a silent battleground. Enigmas solved where logic while all abound. As you connect the dots clearly, your mind works quickly while searching for answers. Learning through fun is possible with brain games. Working with logic and curiosity helps us solve problems and discover new knowledge. Open minds grow stronger as they explore ideas, and like from every experience, rising together. Curious minds turn ideas into intelligent action. Knowledge helps us learn and grow in every game we play. I'm inspired to imagine, invent, and investigate. Never give it up. Helps me discover new knowledge, thinking critically and trying my best leads me to success. Curious minds think and try. Think and try. Curious minds think and try. Smart students win with the brand, hidden solutions and stories untold.